Ever wonder why some people seem impervious to colds, flu, and other common illnesses? The answer lies in their immune system. This complex network of cells, tissues, and organs is our body's personal security team, always on the front lines battling disease-causing microorganisms. It's our first line of defense, our protective shield, and essentially our health's best friend. That's why keeping it strong and robust is crucial for overall health. One of the most effective ways to boost your immune system is through your diet, and smoothies are a delicious and convenient way to do that. Our first immune-boosting smoothie is the Green Machine, packed with vitamins A and C. This vibrant blend begins with our first ingredient, a generous handful of spinach. This leafy green is a powerhouse of vitamin A, essential for maintaining the health of your skin and mucous membranes, your body's first line of defense against pathogens. Following spinach, we add our second ingredient, the tropical sweetness of pineapple. Pineapples are rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that supports your immune system and aids in the absorption of iron, another key player in immunity. The third ingredient, we integrate a juicy orange, another fantastic source of vitamin C. Then we introduce our fourth and final ingredient, a banana, to provide a creamy texture and a boost of vitamin B6, vital for supporting biochemical reactions in the immune system. To make the Green Machine, simply combine all these ingredients, spinach, pineapple, orange, and banana, in a blender and blend until smooth. The result is a smoothie that's not only a nutrient powerhouse but also a refreshing and tasty way to start your day. We're about to prepare the antioxidant Berry Blast, a smoothie packed with antioxidants and vitamin C. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to prepare this vibrant, health-boosting beverage. Let's start with the star of our smoothie, berries. Berries, often referred to as nature's candy, are not only bursting with flavor but are also a powerhouse of antioxidants. These antioxidants play a crucial role in shielding our bodies from harmful free radicals, thereby promoting overall health and wellness. Next, we add a ripe, sweet banana to our recipe. Bananas aren't just a natural sweetener, they're a trove of critical nutrients, including vitamins C and potassium, which are essential for maintaining healthy heart function and regular blood pressure. To blend it all together, we add a generous pour of almond milk. Almond milk is a wonderful dairy-free alternative, contributing additional antioxidants, vitamin E, and a creamy finish to our smoothie. Our ingredients, namely berries, banana, and almond milk, all work together to create the antioxidant Berry Blast smoothie. Each sip of this smoothie is not just a delightful treat, but a way to nourish your body with vital nutrients and antioxidants. End your day in a sweet and satisfying way with this Berry Blast smoothie and give your immune system the boost it craves. Last but not least, we have the Tropical Turmeric Smoothie, a delightful blend filled with immune-boosting ingredients and a hint of the exotic. The process of creating this smoothie is as refreshing as its taste. It starts with the first key ingredient, a vibrant, juicy mango. This fruit, known for its high vitamin C content, plays a crucial role in immune function. Next, we introduce ingredient number 2, the pineapple. It's not just for its tropical flair, but for its bromelain, an enzyme that aids in digestion and reduces inflammation. Now we add in the third ingredient and the star of the show, turmeric. This golden spice is not only responsible for the smoothie's warm, earthy undertone, but also brings remarkable health benefits. Its active ingredient, curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory effects and is a very strong antioxidant. Inflammation can often be immune response, so keeping it in check is key to a healthy immune system. Finally, we introduce the fourth ingredient, some creamy coconut milk. Not only does it provide a velvety texture, but it also includes lauric acid, a type of fat known for its antimicrobial properties. This ingredient provides the perfect finishing touch to this immune-boosting blend. And there you have it, a smoothie that not only tastes like a tropical getaway, but also supports your immune system with every sip, thanks to the power-packed combination of mango, pineapple, turmeric, and coconut milk. With its tropical flavors and health benefits, the Tropical Turmeric Smoothie is a delightful way to keep your immune system in top shape. Have a recipe or idea for better, healthier living? Then leave a comment below. Who knows, maybe we will add it to our harmonysmoothie.com site. Thanks for watching, and please like, share, subscribe. Want to learn more about creating amazing smoothies, healthy eating to improve your life, smoothie technology, and kitchen essentials? Then remember to head on over to harmonysmoothie.com for more great recipes and smoothie tips and tricks.